What is it?
Oh, it's just Steph. She's going the same way, it doesn't matter. I just don't want to talk to her.
We could go to Antonio's, share a pizza.
Oh, sorry, no. There's no sharing when it comes to pizza.
Is Charlie going to retire?
God, seriously hope not, darling. What's she doing?
Is that Steph, Carmel's mum?
Connie, get over.
Maybe we should just stop.
No, it's all right, darling. As long as we stay ahead of her. What's she doing?
Get over now!
No.